It seems like since the beginning of time, weapons have been used as either a defense mechanism or in attacks. In ancient times, weapons were most likely clubs, arrows, and rocks. So what's the difference? Well, stun guns are close proximity devices that require you to be next to the person attacking you. They use a painful shock to discourage further contact. On the other hand, a taser uses a projectile prong that shoots out and attaches to the target further away, up to 15 feet. It's no secret that criminals use knives as lethal and non-lethal weapons. While a knife can certainly be deadly, it can also be used to slice or cut a person and cause them non-death injuries. Using a semi-automatic weapon, an automatic weapon, such as a machine gun, continues firing without the shooter having to pull the trigger again and again. Once you pull the trigger, it will keep firing as long as the trigger is held down until there are no more bullets. There are different guns that take different types of bullets. An example of some other bullet diameter sizes can include: the easiest and fastest way to determine a firearm's caliber is to check the barrel or chamber of the gun. Typically, you can see the caliber of the firearm stamped right there. Pulling the trigger on a double action only firearm performs two actions: cocking the hammer or striker and firing the firearm. It's estimated that over 70% of domestic terrorist incidents involve explosives. An explosive device or bomb can be constructed of commonly available materials. A dynamite bomb usually consists of several sticks of dynamite attached to a fuse, which is the primary detonator. Firebombing is a bombing technique designed to damage a target using fire caused by devices rather than from the blast effect of a bomb.